Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. It has been a minute. It's been like 2.5 weeks. I have not traded. Yesterday was my first trading day. I didn't take any trades. Today was my first trade of the new year, and we ended off with a fucking disappointment. Ended up just taking one L, and just my first thoughts on price action. Just looking at it, really not good price action. No manipulation to the upside. And overall, just really not great price action and volume whatsoever. But again, not blaming price action. Completely fine with taking this trade. I'm taking this trade 10 times out of 10 times. So I kind of want to just run through what my thought process was coming into today and the new year. Oh, fuck, what did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? Okay, let me get out of this. Leave. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's begin talking about what I wanted to see coming into market open. So if we look at the higher time frame, if we look at the 4-hour here, don't mind this big 4-hour candle. So at this point in time, I'm looking at this candle backwards, right? So I'm looking at, okay, we're still respecting this 4-hour for value gap. Oh, we're still respecting this 4-hour bearish for value gap. We really haven't ran through it too much to the upside, so this could still turn over and be bearish. Right, so I just want to be cautious of being bullish at this point in time. I want to see what market wants to do. Take a look at the 1-hour. Again, this candle had not come in yet. We're still respecting this 1-hour bearish for value gap. We're respecting this 30-minute bearish for value gap, and we are respecting this 15-minute bearish for value gap, as well as we have relative equal lows to the left of us. And if we take a look at this point in time, we were back at OTE of this price leg. So coming into market open, I was leaning bearish bias. I was leaning a little bearish bias. I wanted to see the market at least go to these relative equal lows, if not these external relative equal lows. So I scale in. At market open, again, I mark out these relative equal lows. I wanted to see one more internal manipulation leg at these highs. These highs right here. I wanted to see it at these highs. And then have a move lower, right? So at market open, we end up pumping up. We end up taking these highs, which is completely fine. That doesn't invalidate the model whatsoever, right? But we also end up putting in a bearish SMT. So at this point in time, right here, we end up putting in a bearish SMT. So we end up taking this internal high and putting in a bearish SMT with this high over here. So if we take a look at ES, at this point in time, this was at, when did we take this high? Let me look. We took this high at 7:30. So at 7:30, here's that high. At 7:30, we are down here, right? So we never end up taking that high at this point in time. So we put in a bearish SMT. So once we put in this bearish SMT, what do I want to see? I want to see this for value gap get ran through. What do? We come down, we tap this for value gap, we come back up, have internal manipulation, and then what do we immediately do? We get below that 1-minute change, and we get below that 1-minute bullish for value gap, completely run through it. I take a short towards sell side. We take a look at the 5-minute, right? We're continuing to respect this 5-minute bearish for value gap. We were respecting the 15-minute bearish for value gap. And I'm just targeting this low-hanging fruit. The first internal low that presents itself, that is what I'm targeting. And that was right here. Price ends up having really good displacement. Again, respecting this inverse and then completely running up to the upside and stopping me out. So this was my trade that I ended up taking today. Completely fine with this trade. Very happy with my risk. Very happy with everything that I did, how I managed it. Just unfortunate, it's the first trade of the year. We start off the year with an L, but I'm taking this trade 10 times out of 10 times, right? And it's working 75% of the time. So this is just the 25%. And things that you have to do as a trader is you just have to get good at losing, right? You're going to lose. It's guaranteed that you're going to lose. You're just going to have to get good at losing, take it, and move on. And then the rest of the market open, I'm really kind of just looking at price action and realizing, there's most likely not going to be any opportunity. And then I got off around like 8:15. So yeah, here was my trade that I ended up taking today. I'm down around like $1,900 across all accounts. So nothing absolutely crazy, but obviously not a great way to start off the year. But we will bounce back. We know that. I will bounce back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I hope you guys have a great new year. I hope you guys have your goals in place. I hope you guys achieve all your goals and you work towards your goals every single day. But I hope you guys enjoy this trade recap, and I will catch you in the next one.